Hello friends, how are you? I hope everything is fine at your end. In today's video, I will show you how to write Expressio Écrit section 1 article writing. It's quite easy to write because in that we have to write only 80 words. But there are certain points that we have to keep in mind while writing section 1 of article writing. Point number 1 says we have to add at least minimum 80 words. Yes, for writing task 1, the minimum limit of writing words is 80 words. At least you have to write 80 words to score good marks. Second point says the text should be short but with at least 2 paragraphs. For writing the article, the text should be small, like but at least 2 paragraphs should be there. You can add more paragraph depending on how much you want to write, but they require at least 2 paragraphs. It's always positive and good to always end the article with a positive expect. Whatever happens at the end, it should be in a positive ending. Always remember what time and the date or the place you are mentioning. Always use the place, the background to say where it happened and what was the time, what the things were going on in the background. As you can see, the articles are always published when that something had already been happened. So try to use past tenses like passé composé, plus que parfait or imparfait. Always mention the cause and the consequences of the action. What was the cause, why it happened, and what were the consequences. But always put the consequences in the positive aspect. Last but not the least one, always focus on the punctuation that after full stop you have to give the space. After the comma also you have to give the space. After full stop the next word would be starting with the capital letter. These are the basic things which will help you to score good marks in TED Canada section 1. And for the accents, there will be a window on the computer. I suggest you to simply write your article in the normal French. After that, you will have enough time to put the accents when you are doing the correction or you are doing your proofreading. It saves a lot of time uh, by simply writing the in one go whole paragraph or 2 paragraph, and after that you have enough time to recorrect or do the proofreading with the help of the help box by putting the accents. It saves a lot of time. This is a past question that I have taken in today's video, but before beginning you can see I have taken at least 3 paragraphs, more than 2 paragraphs I have written, and the word I have taken here, the words here are around 131. It's more than 80 words to succeed more or to get more than NCLC 7. So let's start with our question. You employ the billet sur l'autoroute provoque the numéro carambolage. It says a rain of tickets happened on the highway, which caused a lot of traffic jam on the roads. I've started with the time, duration, hier matin, yesterday morning. I've completed one thing that yesterday morning it all happened. And where it happened? It happened on the supermarché, near the supermarché in the center of the city. So let's start. Hier matin, quand les jeunes couraient pour aller à leur bureau ou à leur travaux, un incident incroyable s'est passé. I've just created a situation that when the people were moving for their work and like unhappening happened where something had happened. Let's start happened. The tickets started falling on the road. I don't know from where it started falling. L'incidence est passé au centre de vie à Paris près du supermarché. I have explained that where the situation has taken place. This is very important. These 2 points are very important to tell the background of the article, when it happened and where it happened. Tout le monde était occupé avec leurs travaux. Soudainement, la pluie a commencé. C'était pluie de billets de cinéma. I mentioned here everybody was busy. Suddenly, the rain started. This was the rain of the tickets of the cinema. Another imagination. Une maison de production a décidé de faire cette pluie, a attrapé plus d'audience et pour faire la promotion de son film. I've just taken imagination. The production house taken this step so that they can attract more of the audience for their upcoming film. Les jeunes ont commencé à les collecter parce qu'ils étaient gratuits. The people over there had started collecting them. As you can see, I have used the pronoun here. It adds more points to your article by using the pronouns. Cet incident est passé pendant une heure à cause duquel il y avait trop d'embouteillage. Here I have said the consequence of that was that it happened for 1 hour and it created a lot of traffic jam on the road. Fortunately, Erasmo, fortunately, I'm ending the passage article with a positive note. Erasmo, personne ne s'est blessé et tout le monde était content. I mentioned here nobody was hurt and everybody was happy. I'm ending the article with a positive note that whatever happened, it happened and the end of the cause was a positive cause. I I hope I made the video very simple so that you can easily understand what the examiner is expecting to write in task 1 of your production écrite to score good marks. Please do subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.